Today, you are going to learn how to create dark-themed motivational short videos for free just like this.
Every sunrise is a new page in your book of life. What you choose to write today will become the story you live tomorrow. Fill your pages with courage, compassion, and purpose, and your story will be one of greatness.
Motivational videos have always been popular on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok because people need motivation. These faceless motivational Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos are getting millions of views and are making tons of money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create these dark-themed motivational videos by utilizing the power of AI and start making money. I will show you how to create these motivational videos in just 5 steps, which are script writing, text-to-speech, finding videos, background music, and editing. Now let's get started. To create our script, we'll be using ChatGPT to create the script for our video. You don't need to crack your brain to think of prompt to generate the script because the prompt will be available in the description down below. Now go over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt from the description and ask ChatGPT to give you 10 similar script to the transcript you provided. After entering the prompt, ChatGPT will give you 10 similar script to the one you provided. Go through the script and choose the one you prefer. The next step is to turn our script to VoiceOver, which we'll be using 11 Lab. 11 Labs is one of the best text-to-speech AI software that has realistic voices with 32 languages. Go over to your browser and search for 11 Lab, then click on Get Started and create an account. Go over to ChatGPT, copy the script you chose, and paste it on 11 Labs Speech Synthesis. Click on Voice and select the one you want. You can preview each of the voices to know the one that will fit your video. We'll select George for this video.
God has given you one face, and you make yourself another.
Then click on Generate, and in just few seconds your voiceover will be ready, then you can download it. The next step is to get the videos, and we need quality visuals so as to make our video stand out, and you have to look for visuals that relate to your script. To get quality visuals, there are several stock footage websites like Pixabay, Mixkit, and Pexels to get 4K videos. I will be using Pexel to get our videos. Go over to your browser and search pexels.com. Then download videos that relate to your script. Take your time and download quality videos that will fit your script perfectly. Next step is to get the background music for our video. We need a non-copyright music to avoid being given a copyright strike. And one of the best websites to get a non-copyright music is Pixabay. Go over to your browser and search for pixabay.com. Scroll sideways and click on Music. Then click on Motivational. Then you will see a list of motivational music. All you need to do is preview them. Click on the one that will fit your video and download it. Now that we have our voiceover, videos, and background music, it's time to put all of them together with editing. For this, I'm going to use CapCut. Go over to CapCut, click on New Project, and import all the videos we downloaded from Pexels. Next, you import the voiceover we generate from 11 Labs. Then you start arranging your clips to fit the voiceover. Next, you import the background music we download from Pixabay. Reduce the volume so it won't take over the video. Next, add any transition you prefer to each of the clip, but I recommend you use the Zoom to transition. Click on Animations and we'll find Zoom to transition and add it to all the clip. Once that is done, the next step is to add captions. Click on Text and click on Auto Captions. Then select your template and click on Generate. In just few seconds, your captions will be ready. The last step we need to turn the video to a dark theme mode. Click on Effect, then click on Video Effect and choose the old TV2 effect, and this will give it that dark theme. Then drag it to the end of the video. Click on Export, increase the resolution to 4K, increase the frame rate to 60, and save the video. That's it, guys. Now let's take a look at our video.
Every sunrise is a new page in your book of life. What you choose to write today will become the story you live tomorrow. Fill your pages with courage, compassion, and purpose, and your story will be one of greatness. Don't let the pen fall into the hands of fear or regret. You are the author.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you think about the video.